Hey y'all, I'm Morgan Hutchinson with Funtown RV, and we're gonna go over the 2021 Heartland Gravity GR3210 today. All right, so here you do have your pass-through storage. You have your 110-volt plug, cable satellite, and your battery disconnect. So one of the outdoor amenities of the Gravity is that it does have this Flame King 2-burner stove, and then we've got our Hot Point mini fridge. So on the Gravity, their ramp door does double as a patio deck. You can hang out with friends, grill outside, and just enjoy the outdoors. Now in the living room, we do have Allure furniture. Every seat doubles as a recliner. You have cup holders, USB ports, and lighting. In the living room, we also have our mounted Summit TV. Right under it, we have our JBL audio system. It is zone controlled, so you have speakers inside, on the patio, and outdoors. Here in the kitchen, we do have a Dinette 8 cubic foot gas and electric refrigerator. You have your Furrion 3-burner stove and oven, and our microwave right on top. Something really cool about this Gravity, guys, is that it does have a loft, letting you sleep 7 people in this toy hauler. All right, guys, so when the garage doesn't have toys in it, it does double as a really nice sleep space. You have a queen bed up top. You have these awesome couches that lay flat into beds as well. Previously mentioned, your ramp door does double into a patio deck. Railing, really easy to put up. It stays locked tight so you can have the kids, dogs. You can sit out here and really just enjoy the scenery. All right, guys, here in the bathroom, we have really nice black finishes, plenty of room, including the skylight, and you have a seat here in the shower. All right, guys, here in the bedroom, you do have your queen size bed, plenty of closet space for the missus, and your second Dinette AC. Wrapping up this RV, we do have a onboard generator. Your auto level button is up front, and you have a 6-point leveling system. All right, guys, once again, my name is Morgan Hutchinson. I'm with Funtown RV. Thank you for watching our walkthrough video. Please comment with the next video you'd like to see. Like and subscribe to our YouTube page, and don't forget the fun starts here.